I'm Diana Joy Lorico. I'm a social media manager, graphics designer, and video editor. Hi, in today's video, I would like to share what is Spotify. According to support.spotify.com, Spotify is a digital music podcast and video service that gives you access to millions of songs and other content from creators all over the world. Basic functions such as playing music are totally free, but you can also choose to upgrade to Spotify Premium. Whether you have Premium or not, you can get recommendations based on your taste, build collections of music and podcasts, and more. Spotify is available across a range of devices, including computers, phones, tablets, speakers, TVs, and cars. And you can easily transition from one to another with Spotify Connect. To get started of using this application, go to Google Play Store, type Spotify, and click install. As you see, my account has been installed and I don't feel to uninstall it. To make an account, you can select sign up for free, continue with Google, or continue with Facebook. Well, I would like to suggest when you make your registration, better to click continue with Facebook because this has no hassle and this connects to your Facebook account, and make sure that your Facebook not in sign out mode. To start your podcast experience using your phone, there are 4 selections above. These are Home, Search, Your Library, and Premium. Here in Home, you can see your recently played. In Search button, you can select what you're looking for in Spotify. To use Search, for example, I am typing Bee Gees and I added it to my library, and now you see it is available to my library. While in Library button, you can use this to save your favorite music or podcasts so that when you want it in the future, you can use that easily without using Search. When you click the Premium button, you are selecting to pay the Spotify monthly. One great advantage is that you will not get distracted by advertisement. You can play your music without it. On the upper right corner, there are bell, time, and gear icon. When you click the bell button, you will see fresh updates from podcast music or news where you'll always listen. The time icon is for us to see recently played, and the gear is for settings if you want changes to your account. To play podcasts, for example, I selected this one. You see the progress of playing below. One thing I like of using Spotify is that you can play it as a background mode while you are doing something to your phone. That's all for now, guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for notification and select all. Thanks for watching.